Let's take a look at how to pull contacts from your iPhone or iPad into a CSV for Follow Up Boss. So, the easiest way to do this, if your contacts are actually stored on an iPhone or a device on your iCloud account, you can just log into iCloud and click on Contacts. Now, I store mine in Google and they push to my iPhone, so it's a little bit different for me. I've only got two contacts in here, but there's a few ways you can do this. If you want to get everybody downloaded into a CSV, which then you could either edit the CSV if you want to remove people. That's real easy. You come down here, click on the gear, and then you would select all. I already have all selected, so it's not an option. But if you hit select all, and then you would export vcard, and that's going to download a CSV file of everyone selected, whether it's select all, or you can additionally go through here and click on either control or command to select multiple people. So like I'm clicking right now on this top record, and then if I hold command and click on the next one, it's going to select that. And you can continue to scroll through and select additional contacts as long as you're holding command, and just the ones you select are going to be the ones that get exported. So, but it's pretty simple. It'll pull that. You'll just hit export vcard. It'll pull those down into that CSV, and again, send that CSV over to us by email, and we'll get them added to Follow Up Boss for you.